Hello students, today we are doing a very interesting thing in the EVS class. So see and all the videos very properly up to the last. See students, before starting the classes I need to aware you about what is today's topic. So today's topic is students, one of very nice things that is on air enters a plant through the stomata on its leaves. Yes, dear students. So today topic is how air enters the plant through the stomata. What is the role of stomata? These all things we are discussed today in the topic. So student, what is stomata? Yes, stomata are the small opening or pores on the leaves which are used for exchanging airs or gas. Understood what I am saying, students? Are you understood? Once again I repeat, stomata are the small openings or pores on the leaves which are used for exchanging air or gas. Where they are found? Big questions in your mind, right? How it's look? Everything in the nature's gifted us. So we will first take a leaves. In the leaves we can see the where is the stomata found. So they are found mostly under the surface of leaves. Point to be noted, students. They are found mostly under the surface of leaves. The exchange of CO2 is done through them, which helps in photosynthesis. Understood, students? So see, today we are discussing about the stomata. It is a small pores that are present on the leaves of the plant, and it is used for the air exchange. And see, students, one more important thing: stomata open and close. Why? Can you guess why the stomata open and close? Because to permit the intake of CO2, as I earlier told, right? What I say earlier, that it helps in the exchange of CO2. Understood? So students, it is used for the air exchange, like when stomata open and close. What does it mean that stomata open and close? Means to permit the intake of CO2. When the gate is open and closed, the person is coming in and out, like in the leaves. Also stomata open and close. For what reason? To permit the intake of CO2 and the release of oxygen. Okay, students? And a specialized cell called guard cells. Once again, remember the name, student. Guard cell. GUARD. Understood? GUARD, guard cell that surround the stomata. Wherever the stomata is present, no, at sides, totally guard cell is there. What is surround helps in? What it helps? See, what guard cell helps? What is the role of guard cell? Helps in stomata open and close process. Understood, students? So this point we will discuss today, and we will see one very nice video. You will properly see the video very nicely, so that you get the full concept of the today class. Okay, students, so let's see the video. So my dear students, let's see one experiment how air is released through the stomata. See students, very properly, see, take a potted plant and plug a fresh leaf from it. Okay students, place the leaf into a beaker containing extremely hot water. Understood students? Hot water you take first. See, next, ensure that you handle the hot water with care or it may burn you. So must be care during the doing this type of any type of practical in the science world. So you first of all take precautions. See, small tiny bubbles What is this, students? Small tiny bubbles is appear right now the surface of the leaves. What is this? Can you tell me? Students, this plant leaves containing oxygen gas release in the form of bubbles. Actually, whatever the bubbles you have seen on the leaf surface, so its leaf surface see in the form of bubbles. Okay, through stomata when placed in hot water, students. This confines the presence of stomata in leaves. Okay, students, if you see the bubbles on the surface of leaf, if your activity done correctly, the bubble. Yes, dear students, surely the bubble is observed. It's fully observed, appears on the surface of the leaves. If you done properly the full steps of the. First of all, you have to take plug leaves, and then it should be take hot waters, and you just keep the leaves. Into the hot waters and wait for a moment, see the bubbles will be observed there. So likewise so this confines the presence of stomata in leaves. Understood, students? Students, as you have seen in the video that bubbles will observe on the surface of the leaves. And so what we'll write here, yes, of course, the air bubbles from the leaf it shows. Right, students? So, students, from today activity, very interesting activity. What we conclude that that the stomata we see the small opening present on the surface of the leaf and is help in the exchange of gases. And what we concluded that plant release air through the stomata in a leaf. So, students see leaves take in carbon dioxide from the air through holes, small pores, students, as I told earlier, in the which is present in the leaves, okay, called stomata. Okay, students. So what will be the picture, students? Guard cell is present there, and stoma and chloroplast. So that's all for today class, students. I hope you all are enjoying very much from the today's whatever the activity. So you will see the today videos very properly, students. So students, it's not mandatory to do this activity, students. Don't try it by your own, and only you observe the video and you get the ideas from the video. Understood, students? So please follow all the instruction very carefully. Video is only for your knowledge purpose, students. So don't try by your own of these activities. You just get the idea. Very well, students. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.